Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Techies Guru. Today we're going to be learning how to log into your Pinterest account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure that you have your Pinterest app installed on your mobile. If not, you can also do so by your browser. Then you'll be led to this homepage of Pinterest where you can log in using your Facebook account, your Google account, or you can simply enter your email address. If you have your Google account logged into your phone, then you can simply tap on continue with Google and then you'll be logged into your account. However, if you do not have your email on your phone, you simply enter your email address, tap on continue, and then you'll be requested to enter your password. If you do not remember your password, you can simply tap on forgot password. By clicking on it, you will be sent a set of instructions to pick a new password for your account. After that, you simply tap on OK, you visit your Google account, you'll see an email such as this, and you simply follow the instruction and then you can log into your Pinterest account. As you can see, I've been logged into my Pinterest account, and this is how you can log into your Pinterest account as well. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.